In the last video, we learned what LangChain is and why developers are using it to build an AI application. But learning a framework isn't enough. The real question is, how do you actually use it? So today we'll build our very first AI application using LangChain and Ollama. We'll write a few lines of Python code based on a Python application, and we'll connect to a local LLM and then generate AI responses without using the OpenAI API and without sending any data to the cloud. So let's get started. Hello everyone, so welcome back to the channel. If you have been following this series, you already have Python and Ollama installed. So today let's build our first AI application. So based on the practical, first we have to clone the repository. Then we have to create the virtual environment, whether on Windows or whether on Linux. And then we have to install the dependencies. At last, we'll run the application. So I'll give you a brief about the source code of this application project, where the LangChain library, which is the chat Llama, it will act as a connector. And then based on the model, it will connect with the Llama and the LLM model. And then as per the invoking of the prompt, it will give the response. So here is the sample output based on the prompt used. And that we'll see in the demo. Let's understand the workflow. The user writes a prompt, and then that prompt is forwarded to Python application. So based on its Python libraries, it forwards the request to the LangChain. Then based on the LangChain libraries and connector, it connects with the Ollama. Then it goes to the model. Then model understands the prompt and then gives the response. So let me show this in the practical demo. I executed the Python application, and based on the prompt, which is defined in the app.py, it gives the response. So here basically the LangChain has used its library, the connector, as well as its inbuilt features to give the response. And this is all in automated way, where we don't have to use any API in terms of Llama API or OpenAI API. This is only the foundation. So in the next video, we'll continue improving this application. We'll learn how to create reusable prompt templates, build interactive chat, and add memory, work with PDFs, implement RAG using ChromaDB, and eventually build an AI agent. So make sure you're following this complete LangChain series. If you're serious about learning generative AI and want a structured roadmap instead of watching random videos, I have designed a complete AI and GenAI training programs. So in this program, you will learn Python for AI, Ollama, LangChain, prompt engineering, RAG and ChromaDB, AI agents, LangGraph, MCP, and more. So whether you are a student, a software developer, a DevOps engineer, or a security professional, this training is designed to help you build practical industry-ready AI skills. So you will find the training details in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.